For everything from ice cream makers to air fryers to gas grills, Ninja makes high-quality kitchen appliances that offer a good balance of performance. There are many products available to choose Ninja blenders, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Ninja blenders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie. The best blenders are also the most versatile. This model is both a traditional pitcher blender and personal blender, with a 1100 watt motor and 6 blades that can crush ice and blend frozen cocktails, smoothies, and sauces. It has 3 manual speed settings and a pulse button that are very simple to operate. All accessories are dishwasher safe. Can make large batches or single servings. Includes lidded to-go cups. When it's time to clean up, everything except for the base is dishwasher safe, a huge bonus for anybody who doesn't like scrubbing pulp off a tiny, sharp blade. Size 6x8x 17 inches. Power 1100 watts. Pitcher capacity 64 ounces. Speed options 4. Accessories 2 cups with blender and travel lids. Number 2. Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. A true multitasker, the Professional Plus Kitchen System incorporates a traditional full-size blender, personal blender, and food processor on the same base. It can handle classic blending tasks like crushing ice and making milkshakes and cocktails in a large pitcher, but it also has 2 24-ounce cups with their own blades and to-go lids to make individual smoothies for busy mornings. On top of that, it comes with a 64-ounce food processor bowl with both a metal chopping blade for tasks like making salsa and a plastic dough blade for kneading up to 2 pounds of bread dough. It doesn't, however, come with the slicing or shredding tools that most food processors include. The system has 5 different Auto IQ preset programs for making smoothies, crushing ice, extracting juice, chopping, and kneading dough. Manual controls include 3 speed settings and pulse. This is the second most expensive Ninja on this list, but potentially replacing 3 separate machines with a single tool might well be worth it. Number 3. Ninja SS151 TWI-STI Blender Duo. Ninja's innovative TWI-STI blenders have angled tampers built into the lid that constantly push ingredients toward the blades for more thorough blending. Its powerful motor, tied for highest wattage in this story, can chop up tough ingredients without you having to interrupt the blending process to scrape and stir. The pitcher also has a drizzle cap for slowly pouring in ingredients during the blending process, like oil for homemade mayonnaise. The whole system is very compact, including a low-profile 34-ounce pitcher and 24 and 18-ounce cups that all fit on the same blade. The unit offers 5 different automatic settings for juices, smoothies, frozen drinks, spreadable items like nut butters, and smoothie bowls, but it has only 1 speed on manual control. Like other Ninja models, all parts besides the base are dishwasher safe. However, more than one reviewer complained about the TWI-STI system's plastic tampers melting in a high-temperature wash. It's best to put the blender parts in the top drawer of your dishwasher and on a normal or gentle cycle. Number 4. Ninja BN401 NutriPro Compact Personal Blender. In our home tests, the previous version of the Ninja NutriPro knocked it out of the park, and the Spruce Eats named it our #1 overall personal blender, as well as one of our favorite blenders, period. With the latest update, Ninja made it even better, adding 200 more watts of power, and smart smoothie and ice crushing settings, plus a sleeker digital interface, for just $10 more than before. Though compact, this 1100 watt blender is quick and powerful, and it's a favorite of some of our editors. It comes with 2 24-ounce cups, both with tight sealing sipping lids, so it's perfect for making individual smoothies on the go. The intelligent preset programs mean you can put your ingredients in the cup, press the button, and walk away. All the removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, including the blade, which helpfully lifts out of the base. Number 5. Ninja SS401 Foodie Power Blender Ultimate System. The enormous 72-ounce pitcher can be used hot or cold, for frozen drinks and smoothies or soups and sauces, as well as at lower speed to chop, slice, and shred. There are 7 speed options selectable with a simple dial, as well as a pulse mode. These personal-size cups have their own smaller screw and blade, and the smoothie bowl one has a built-in tamper that ensures all your frozen fruits, nuts, and seeds blend evenly. Besides the motor base, all parts are dishwasher safe. This blender is Ninja's most expensive model, but with all the different things it can do, it's worth it. Size 8.3x 8.7x 16.1 inches. Power 1600 watts. Pitcher capacity 72 ounces. Speed options 8. Accessories 24-ounce cup, 18-ounce cup with built-in tamper, smoothie blade, travel lid, shredding, slicing disc, grating disc, dough blade. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.